What's up, YouTube? Today's video, we are doing just a little review on a Windslayer. Let's see here. I'm not sure how to say the first name, but this little thing right here is supposed to help me with my GoPro for noise reduction. I've actually had this GoPro 7 for a while now. This does say that it only works for the black, but it's saying it works with the shock. What is it called again? I forgot. It's something for the shocking, or the shock protector or whatever. So it has to be on this. It can't just go on it by itself. So I'm going to take some videos real quick. I'm actually here at office that I had to pick up some stuff for my knee surgeon to see. So I'm gonna go take some regular video just with this outside of the car, out of the window, while I go to pick up my fiance from her doctor's appointment that she's at right down the road. And then possibly on the way back, I'll take some more video with that on, and we'll go from there. If not, I'll take some other videos. But the reason why I bought this, I do autocross, and there's a lot of wind resist. There's a lot of noise, and I'm only doing maybe 50 miles an hour. I have gone on a drive before out to like the mountains, and I've gotten to about 80 miles an hour or so, and it held up good, but the wind noise was crazy. So I'll put that video up just so that you guys can see it too, of me driving with a couple of my Subaru friends. And it's nothing great, we're just cruising along, but you can see the noise. It's going to be loud. I promise you now, it's going to be loud. I'm going to edit it to where it's a little bit lower, so it's not going to blow your eardrums out if you are using headphones. So we'll go from there. Let's get it done. Alright, we are on the GoPro. The piece is right here just so you can see. It is a really hot day. It says it's 99, but it's definitely like 102. But we'll get here in a second. We'll be on the road, and we'll get this one going and turn the camera on and see how it goes. I'm gonna back up for this car because they don't know what the fuck they're doing. Just so you guys can see again, it's still in the little plastic container that it's been in, and we'll be getting on the road right here now. Nothing. GPS says to go this way, so we're going about 25, I'll say, yeah, 25, 30. The mic's on the side, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully that gives a little bit of a something for you guys to know what it sounds like. And then my fiance still has probably another 20 minutes or so inside her doctor's office, so we're gonna go for a little drive after putting it on. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But just waiting for traffic. Okay, we'll go a little faster this time for you guys. See if that makes a difference for you guys. I'm not going to be able to really say anything about it until I see it on camera, because I want to hear it with my headphones on. I'm not just going to listen to it off the GoPro or download it and listen to it off my phone. I want to be able to hear it a lot better. So now oh crap, there's no parking here. We'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we are parked now. I got the GoPro back in my hand again. I'm going to take it off of this and leave the case on it and put that on, and we'll go for another drive around here. I will have a second review on this. it will be more in depth, more of the durability. This is just me opening it, trying it out for the first time, and I'll give you the review on that. And then a few months from now, after I at least have one autocross event using it and another drive through the mountains or something, we'll go from there, and I'll give you guys another one. So tune in for that one when you guys want as well. My channel is more than just reviews. I do a lot of vlogging and a lot of regular stuff, so just stay in tune for it. We'll be back here in a minute, guys. Alright, we got a little bit of an awkward angle because I don't have my phone holder on the screen, or on the windshield of this vehicle, because this is the daily driver that my fiance uses. All of my stuff is on the Legacy, so I don't have anything to keep it directly in front of me. But we have them both right here. It is still closed, so let's open it up. Here we go. One last look at it. Is it gonna focus in? I don't think the front camera can do that well. Probably not. Oh well. Alright, let's get to it. Wow. Freshly open. I've never used one of these before. This is definitely something different to me. I've seen other YouTubers use it that use GoPros. This is actually really thick. That's cool. Okay. So the material is really spongy, but it is very thick. So it looks like everything lines up to be what it needs to. Yeah, so I'm guessing you just put it through the biggest area and then go from there. So I'll do it for you guys to see. Maybe you guys will see a little better, I don't know. Okay, it's pretty tough, but we're almost around it. Alright, we are around it. This is very, very poofy. Maybe I can fix it around this a little bit. Tighten it up. It looks like to me it looks like it'll impair the side view of the GoPro a little bit. I don't know. I mean, you guys can't tell too much there, but we'll see. I'll fix it up a little bit more, but everything is lined up. It's working for the button section. It's got the section for the power and your section to tighten it, or to put it on a framing. So it's, even though it says it's for the GoPro Black, this is a silver. It seems to be working perfectly fine. So I'm gonna tinker with it a little bit more, get it tight on here to where it doesn't look like it's gonna impair that lens, because it's just like, here seems a little thick. Like this side is flush, but this is pretty thick on the other side. I don't know how else to explain it, but that framing on that side's good. That side isn't so well. So I'm gonna tinker with it some more, and I think that's just how it's gonna go. We'll see here in a second again. Let's go to some GoPro action. Side note, so putting this on, I'm still fidgeting with it a little bit. Both sides are pretty much the same as it was before. One side's thicker than the other, but this screw, because I'm using a little cheap tripod, I mean, yeah, so the screw is actually messing around with this right here on the foam. So when I'm turning it on, because it's already so close and I still have to tighten it, it's getting caught underneath and it's pulling it. So I got a fill up, which I always keep some in the car, but so at least that will help it a little bit more to get it tight. Still doing it, but you can just pull it off. But I think that's going to be the number one area that's probably going to tear first, is that right there. That's just putting two and two together. That's what that seems like. So one more little tightness, and yeah, we'll talk a little bit on this, and then I'll probably wait until my wife gets out of her specialist thing to drive, so that we can drive on the main road a little bit faster and try it from there. I mean, I gassed it a little bit on the little straightaway right here, and I got to 45-ish, and yeah, so we'll see here in a second. Alright, now GoPro action. Alright, now GoPro action. Okay, so first look, it still looks like this side over here is a little thick. It could be messing with it a little bit, but I can't tell in the screen itself. The mic I think is just on the corner of it on this side of the GoPro. So that's why on the other videos I was spinning it around. This sponge does look a little funky, I'm not gonna lie, but I mean, we'll see the difference in just talking to you guys, if it sounds a little muffled or if it doesn't really do anything, and then when we're on the road, see if that crazy wind noise is there. So we'll be back again in a second. I can't think of anything else but to do a little talk like this and then talk about the durability afterwards once I'm home. I'm not sure, but we'll be back. All right, we're on the road now, doing about 50. I don't know how crazy it's gonna sound. I feel like I'm gonna drop this thing. Yeah, hopefully it's not too crazy. Alright, we'll catch you guys back with the little review after I see everything on here on my laptop with some headphones on, and yeah, catch you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we have finished the first little review that I have for this Windslayer wind reduction sponge. Personally, I like it. It is cheap. I'm not sure on how much I spent on it. I'll put the price up somewhere right here, but it's worth it. I think so. Just that little bit that I did from driving on a main road doing about 55 or so. Big difference. Honestly, huge difference. I can't expect any more out of it. We'll get some more content coming for you soon with this. The end of this month, coming up now, July, I have a cruise that I'm going to be going up to Shaver. Possibly going to be going earlier than the other guys just because of my knee situation. So we'll see. But if you like the content that we got so far, leave a like, subscribe for more if you're new here, and comment if there's anything else you do want to see on this. If there's any questions on anything that you have about this, leave me a comment, message me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you like. So until then, be easy.